welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. So on today's video I will be reorganizing all of the stuff in my kitchen cabinets and trying to declutter it. Here I am basically just cleaning out my cabinet that's under my sink where I keep all my cleaning products. This one was definitely getting out of control, and so I will be removing some of the things that I don't necessarily need, cleaning it out, and just trying to put everything together nicely. All my cabinets have been getting out of control lately, so I wanted to just go ahead and clean them out and straighten them out before they get worse. So hopefully this video does give you the inspiration and motivation to go ahead and clean out your kitchen cabinets. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright you guys, so I'll be completely honest, and I have not cleaned out my cabinets ever since I moved into my house, which has been roughly about more than a year now. Yes, it's been the longest, and this really needed to be done. It was getting so frustrating now whenever I would get groceries or anything like that. You know, I could not fit anything anymore in any of my cabinets. My pots and pans, all that stuff, I decided to just clean it out and make some room. You guys, it just feels so good whenever you have a decluttered space, an organized space. So if you are ever feeling like, you know, your cabinets are getting out of control, take it one cabinet at a time, and trust me, it'll make you feel so much better.
Ooh, but we go and we run to the end, and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
So it might seem that I didn't even clean out this cabinet, but let me tell you, I sure did. Compared to how everything used to be, this is pretty organized for me now.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different.
Okay, so this is another cabinet that I needed to organize, and this is pretty much where I would keep most of my canned foods and stuff like that. I don't really have like a designated pantry for all my stuff, so I have to work with the cabinets that I do have. And as you can see, I have my ring light right there, and sorry, you know, if it's like in the way or whatever, but I was actually trying to do time-lapse videos for my Instagram also. So if you are not following me there, I will go ahead and drop my tag here, so go ahead and follow me over there. I do post a lot over there. I do daily pictures of my home decor, so I encourage you to follow me over on my Instagram for daily home decor inspiration.
And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite.
So here in this cabinet at the very top, I did decide to put like all of the medicines. On the second one, I did decide to put like all of my condiments, or like, you know, like my syrups, the ranch, my ketchup, sauces, stuff like that. And then I did, at the very bottom, I did decide to put all of my baking stuff. So lately, with everything that has been going on, I have been cooking and baking so much, you guys. So I did want to keep my baking stuff very close to me. That way, you know, whenever I was cooking, I didn't have any problem reaching any of it. So that is the reason why I did decide to organize them like that.
Broken with your love. And there you go and give it to me, so you get me feeling like I always should be dancing in your arms. And there I go and let you in, and though I know where we have been, I'm always gonna fall for your tricks. Because you give me tough love, and it's just enough love. And I've shielded my scars, counting on a cold heart. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. We've fallen out and we have come back. I've had my doubts, haven't stayed on track, but all of my broken bones mend with your love. And there you go and give it to me, so you get me feeling like I always should be dancing in your arms. But here I go and let you in, and though I know where we have been, I'm always gonna fall for your tricks. Because you give me tough love, and it's just enough love. And I've shielded my scars, counting on a cold heart. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. Oh, it hurts. Your love is on fire. How it burns. Your love is on fire. Because you give me tough love, and it's just enough love. And I've shielded my scars, counting on a cold heart. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. I'm in with your love. All of my broken bones. All of my broken bones. I've been trying to find my way. Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me. It's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way for all your life. Take a chance with me.
Okay, so I have this other cabinet that's on top of my fridge, and so I just had some miscellaneous stuff up there. So what I decided to do was just put like my air fryer and other pots and stuff like that that I didn't really use often, to basically just clear up as much more space as possible.
Nothing will ever be the same. Before there was a you, I don't remember a thing. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way, yeah.
Alrighty, you guys, so that does conclude this video. I am so happy that I finally got around to fixing and organizing everything in my cabinets. I really do hope that this gave you some motivation. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!